this is Anna here, and in today's video I'm going to do review and unboxing video from Korean website that sells skincare and makeup. The name is StyleKorean, and this is the box right here. It's so beautiful. It has lots of products that I'm going to review, so let's get into it. And if you are new to my channel or not new to my channel, welcome back, and I'm happy to see you all. I'm here talking about skincare, sometimes about makeup, sometimes about freebies and unboxing. So if you think it's your thing, please feel free to join and click on subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on notification bell so you can see my videos. And let's get into it. Let's review this box from the StyleKorean. So StyleKorean sent me this box for review as influencer, so I just applied for this product and then they chose me, and I guess like in a matter of 1.5 weeks I got this package from DHL. We have the Collagen lift up bands. It comes in a box of 4 packets. Each packet has the like stretchy and sticky band that you put under your chin. Next one is Real Skin Fit collagen masks. I just tried them and I'm so in love with them. So it's also come with a foam mask in the box, and each box is individually in the packet. And then next one is Red Recipe Milky Peeling Gel. I'm not into peeling gels or Gamage exfoliating gels or something like that, so we'll see how it goes. And next one is the Skin Tone Up Massage Cream. When you open it, so you will see that it looks like kind of like whipped butter, and the texture is like, feels like it's like very airy, like a cloud like. So I think I'm going to start off with the mask. So the thing is that those masks are not just regular or traditional sheet masks that made from cellulose. So this mask, it seems like they are collagen masks, and the most interesting part was after I applied it. After 20 minutes I took it off, the skin was like so plump and so smooth and so hydrated that I feel like the sheet mask is just so old-fashioned way to use sheet mask, and I think like in American market it's going to be a very long time until this kind of mask will come. I tried before a biocellulose. It also feels like hydrogel or something like that. I mean, it also dries out after you finish using it, and it feels like just skin. So it's very cool technology, and I'm like happy to learn about it. But the thing with those masks is that it has 2 layers that you need to peel off. It makes waste to the environment. So the mask itself seems like it's very eco-friendly, that seems like it's even dissolving in water. I also did one of the experiment that I put this mask in water and then I left it for a few hours, and it seems like it becomes slimy, so the water actually dissolves the mask. On the other hand, you need to be very careful with the mask because the mask can rip off very easily, even with a touch of your nails. What I loved about this mask is, first of all, it's very mild and fresh fragrance. One of the Korean bloggers said that some people love Korean skincare because of this mild fragrance in the cosmetics. So this is also what I love, and this is not the first time that when I use sheet mask or any other of the skincare from Korea that it's very nice and doesn't bother me at all. This mask feels like as if it's a rubber, right? And it has very nice cooling effect. I didn't put the mask beforehand in the fridge. I just had the masks at room temperature, and when I put it on, I feel like it's so cooling and so nice to my skin that I leave the mask after. So I think it was like 1.5 hours, and then I took a nap, and then when I woke up, the mask became clear, so it dried out and become like skin. It has high content of collagen. Applied TDS technology, contains patented ingredients SY mixture, dual functional cosmetic and non-mesh type. Then let's get to the Collagen Lift Up Band. This is very cool gadget, I guess, that we all should try on. This is the mesh for your chin, right? So it's also applied TDS technology, contains SY mixture, an exclusive component, contains hydrolyzed collagen, and using new elastic spring band to skin lifting. Let's check what's the key ingredients in those lifting masks for your chin. So it's collagen extract, it's glycerin, niacinamide. So those ingredients are very high on the list, and actually fragrance is listed in the end of the ingredient list. What's the benefit of using those lifts is that collagen and anti-aging solution fully delivered to the skin, and the benefit of collagen are directly absorbed for smooth and supple skin. So let's move to the next product from the box. It's About Me Skin Tone Up Massage Cream. And I was kind of confused about how to use this cream, because in the beginning I thought that it's going to be moisturizer that you put on your face or some kind of night cream or night mask. But then I had to Google and look at StyleKorean website how to use properly this thing. And it blows my mind, honestly. What you need to do, that you have a spatula that comes together with this cream, that you apply like a lot of this cream on clean skin. So previously you need to wash your face, right? And then you apply a lot of this cream. Basically you need to massage it gently with circular motions into your skin, and then you leave it maybe like for 5 minutes. Well, it depends. In what environment you are living. Maybe it's too dry and it will dry out faster. So I left maybe like from 3 to 5 minutes, and then you will see that this cream turns into oil on your face. So after that, you are going to remove the oil from your face. So it's suggested that you can use like a cotton pad. I use cotton pad that was moistened with water a little bit, because I feel like I will rub my skin with just dry cotton pad. And then you will clear this oil. You might see that it's a little bit dirty on the cotton pad. It's kind of like yellowish stuff, but I don't think that is coming from my skin, because I washed my skin previously before applying this cream. So I think there is something in the cream that after you massage it, it breaks down and gives the color to the cream. But what I love about this cream is that it really makes my skin smooth and supple and very moisturized, and like it also smells very good. Like it smells like a little bit like citrus. I think it's like lemon or something like that, but it's very, very mild. Like again, Korean skincare is going with very mild and light fragrance in it. So even if you're sensitive to the fragrance, you will love even this smell, because it doesn't bother you that much as other skincare, from Western world. So it comes in the box that 150 milliliters, and now I understand that why it's so big package, because you need to apply a lot of it. And how long you can use it? I think you can use it like few times per week. I don't think it's good to use it every day. So let's see what the ingredients are here. So it's lemon extract, it's for brightening, it's bamboo water for moisturizing, it's pumpkin extract for soothing, and royal jelly extract for nourishing. So like I said, that after using this cream, like right away, I feel like my skin gets very, very soft. Like nothing could make my skin softer than this. StyleKorean sends me the box that I can use just for self-care every day. I mean, it's so amazing. Lemon extract and lemon peel oil treat rough and dry stratum corneum, while royal jelly extract and pumpkin extract deliver vital moisture and nutrients to deeper skin layers. This product transforms during application, like I said, from creamy, delicate paste into nourishing oil. Massage smooths facial contour and brightens the complexion. Alright guys, so I had lots of products to review and I got this one left right here. It's Red Recipe Milky Peeling Gel About Me. It has only the name in English, but I think over the time this brand will change the packaging to leave some English translated ingredients or something like that, so it will be easier for Western people who are passionate about K-beauty, about Korean skincare, to read those ingredients and read the instruction for the products. This milky peeling gel is really like milky. You will see that on the video I try out. It's kind of stuck or something like that on the tube, and I press it so much and then it just pop out so much. But yeah, that was funny, but you will see the texture and the color of it. So it's kind of like pinky like and has a very light scent. It's kind of hard to apply onto the skin. I have a mixed up feeling about this product, but you know, when you start applying it on your skin, like I'm trying it on my palm of my hand and on my wrists, on my hand, and it's actually kind of hard to apply because the moment you start working it out, it crumbs up. But I think maybe this is the way it is, that, you know, it's kind of like you're exfoliating with those, you know, bits from the peeling gel. What kind of ingredients are here? So it's lactic acid, so it's a mild dead cell care ingredient from fermented milk. It's red flower complex, so the complex of 5 red petals that make bright and vital skin. So it's damask rose, desert rose, alpine rose, peony, and lotus flower. It's red superfood, that's why it's called Red Recipe Milky Peeling Gel. So it has antioxidants, pomegranate, tomato, and red wine. It's red vitamin fruits rich in vitamins B and C and 17 amino acids. Said that it's kind of like exfoliating the skin. I don't think that it can remove, you know, dead cells, like, you know, in 10 seconds. So, but definitely after I work it out on my skin, I will see that those bits that crumb up, you know, I will see some gray stuff, so that must be some dirt and maybe also dead skin cells from my face or from my hand. After I applied it, after I exfoliate, I go and wash my face, and after I wash my face, I feel like it's also very smooth. But on the other hand, I have kind of mixed up feelings about this. Maybe I'm just not familiar how to use this properly. But yeah, I will give a try one more time to this peeling gel. Alright guys, so I guess this is all for today. I'm happy that you watched this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you going to shop at StyleKorean for your favorite skincare or makeup. And if you like this video, so don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also click on subscription button and subscription bell below, so you will see my videos. I'm talking about skincare, sometimes makeup, unboxing, maybe freebies, and I see you next time in my next videos. Bye bye, have a good day.